Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is June the 24th of 2025. We have made it to day number 75 of this Miley Gen Secret Challenge. We are cranking right along, guys. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to do this series for you guys to kind of show you what we're doing and how this all works, okay? Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, if you're new to this video, okay, it's day number 75 of this Miley Gen Secret Challenge that I'm shooting, where basically I'm taking one offer from ClickBank, okay, and then I'm using a service called My Lead Gen Secret. I'm putting those together, and I'm somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income within 1 year doing this method. All right. So if you guys have no idea, like I said, what's going on, go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing, okay, and kind of get an idea of this method and how you can get started today making the extra money that you need. Okay. So we're on day number 75, guys. Let's go ahead and get right to it. If you guys don't know what mileage is, let's talk about the recipe, the tools that we need to make this method happen, right? So if you guys don't know what Mileage Gen Secret is, Mileage Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing, I call them business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office right here, you're either going to have 100 or 200 brand new leads. Now, what separates those two is going to be how many accounts that you have. Now, the cool thing about Mileage and Secret is that you can have multiple accounts, okay, whenever you're using this system. Okay. Right now, I have 8 different accounts that I use to promote different offers with. But you don't have to run out and go get 8, but multiple accounts is how you're going to get the 200 leads a day. Okay. You have to have more than one. Okay. So I did leave a link below this video for you guys to get started. All you would have to do is go below this video and you would just click on this link right here. And that's how you would get started. Click on this link, guys, and then I'll show you guys the rest. Okay. So once you get started, your back office is going to look exactly like this, guys. Okay. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you're sending out versus the emails that I'm sending out. And just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Lead Gen Secret over a few years now. I totally love this service. Okay. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic, and I can tell you it does work. It does convert. Okay. The only thing is about this traffic that is cold traffic. Okay. These people have no idea who we are. Okay. And what we have to do is we have to get these people warmed up to our offer. We have to send out emails, high converting emails over and over and over again. Okay. To get people to kind of recognize what we're doing and get people paying attention. And then eventually they buy from us. Okay. So that's what this traffic is. All right. Now, with every affiliate marketer, what we need, guys, is eyeballs to our affiliate links. Okay. That's how we get paid. Okay. So this is basically worth the investment because I'm able to stack thousands and thousands of subscribers in a list. Okay. And that list is mine. It goes wherever I go. Okay. So I can come in every day as long as I'm paying for the service. Okay. I can come in every day and send out emails every 24 hours and I can reach thousands of people with my offer. Okay, and if people like what I'm doing, they will, eventually buy from me. Okay, now this traffic is only business opportunity traffic. Okay, so you have to go out and find offers that are related to making money online. Okay, now the reason why I picked ClickBank for this series is because it's super easy to get started. Right, anybody can go and grab an account. Okay, and create an account for free and get started that same day doing this method. Okay. Now you can go out and if you have other networks that you're a part of, you can go do, or if you want to use something else, such as Warrior Plus, which is another popular one out there as well that you can make money with this traffic. Also, there's Max Bounty, there's Blue Media Ventures, the networks that I'm a part of that I've tested this traffic out with, and it does work and it converts like crazy. Okay. But the easiest network is going to be ClickBank, obviously, because it doesn't take you time to get started. A lot of other networks, it does take a couple days for you to get your account activated. But ClickBank, you get started, 5 minutes, you're up and running. Okay, so that's why I picked this that network for this method. All right. So that's it, guys. Like I said, I've been doing this for a little while now. You can take my word for it, guys. It does work. I mean, if you watched previous videos, you can see that I've earned income. I'm earning income with this method, guys. I'm just showing you guys how to send out and how easy it is to send out an email. Okay. This is what I'm going to show you. Now, your back office is going to look exactly like this, guys. So all you would need to do is go over here to the mailing system. Okay. And then you want to come down here to the traffic and you want to click on select all. So you want to select all, basically get these emails ready so we can send them out. This one email is going to go out to over 178,000 people. So you want to come down here and then you want to put in a subject line. Now, the offer that we're using for this series, excuse me, is going to be a offer called Social Sales Rep. Okay. Now, Social Sales Rep is a program on the ClickBank platform. In the e-business, e-marketing section. This is a make money online program. Now, you don't actually have to use this one if you don't want. They have other ones that you can use as well that I've tested that work as well. But I'm using this one because it has a rebill on it each and every month. So that's why I'm using this one. Okay. So let's go ahead and go down here to the email swipes. Now, every business opportunity offer on ClickBank does have some kind of email swipes, and they're free for you to use. You don't have to go out and pay for them. Okay, and they convert really good. Okay, so this is why I use these emails right here. Okay, these are 20 fresh email swipes that you can go through every single day, and you can come in and you can just take one of these emails and you can send it to this traffic, guys, and it works. Okay, you get eyeballs on your offer, you get people signing up, and you get people buying the program. Okay, which is really cool, guys. So I've been going this for this whole video series, guys. All I've been doing is going through in here is just sending out the same email over and over and over again. Okay. Now, since you guys are up to speed and you're here on this day, right? Since we're in the in the 70s on the day, we're on day number 75, I believe. Yep, we're on day number 75, right? Once we get to email number 20, I'm going to switch it up and I'm going to do something different. I'm going to show you guys how to do that, okay? And we're going to start doing that for the remainder of this video series, okay? Because it's important that once we rinse and repeat these emails that we switch them up and we do things a little bit different so we can separate ourselves from everybody else. Okay. Because right now, if you're watching this video, there's other people watching this video as well. And if everybody else goes out and sends out these same emails to this traffic, I mean, obviously, you want to eventually start to separate yourself from everyone else and what everyone else is doing. Okay. Which will help your conversions. But for right now, for the sake of this video, you're going to make money just sending these out over and over and over again. You're just going to make money from it either way it goes. It doesn't matter if you change it up or not. You send these emails, you do exactly what I'm showing you, you're going to make money. Okay. So let's go ahead and go down and grab one of these emails, guys, and let me show you how to do it. Okay. Now each email has a subject line and a body, and then it also has a an affiliate link at the bottom for us to use. So this link goes into this email. That way we can get paid for the email that we send out. So I'm going to show you how to send this out. So what we would do is we would take the subject line and let's go ahead and grab the subject line. We're not going to change anything or do anything. We're just going to take it and we're going to put it over here in the subject line. Okay. And then we're going to grab that. So that looks good. Chat assistant role, $33 an hour. Okay. That'll catch somebody's attention that's looking to make money online. All right. So we want to click on perfect timing. Like I said, I've already sent out my emails already. You can send out one every 24 hours. So let's go ahead and go back over here to the offer. And let's go and go down here to the body of this text. So let's grab the body and then let's do that. Boom. And then let's come down here. Okay. And we want to come down here and grab all of that. Control C. Super easy. Come back over here to the mailing system. Control A, Control V, Control A. I want to make it a little bit bigger. Okay. And either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys decide to do. And I want to take out signature where it says signature, and let's go and put in either your name or management, whichever one you want. And where it says hi name at the top, I want to take that out. And I want to address my prospect by their first name. Okay. So I'm going to take this code, Control C, come down here and Control V, right? Take this and Control space, Control V. Okay. And let's make that the same size. Okay. So let's go back here to 16. All right. And then boom. So as you can see, it says hi, it addresses them by their first name. So it says hi Jermaine, hi John, hi Natalie, whatever their name is, it's going to address that prospect by their first name. Okay. which is really, really good. And they convert really good, guys. Okay. Now, if you go in these emails, there's going to be a call of action button. Okay. Call to action means that there's a text that's telling you to do something. Okay. We are directing our customers to do something like click here, apply now, get started, whatever. Okay. Now in these emails, there's going to be a call of action bold text somewhere in the email. So what you're going to want to do, like right here, it says clicking here. This is where basically we are telling our prospects where to click. Okay. Now, right now, it doesn't have a clickable link. It's just bold text. We're going to turn this into a clickable link. So let's go ahead and highlight it. Come over here to the link tab. Come back here to the offer. We want to grab this link right here, and we want to control C. Come back over here to the system. Okay, but before we go back over, what it's asking you to do right here is put in your ClickBank affiliate ID. Okay, so you're going to want to take this out right here and you want to put in your affiliate ID. Okay, so that's important that we do that so we get credit for the email. So let's go ahead and do that. Control V, and then I'm going to find that where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID, and I'm going to put mine in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this out. All right, boom. And we want to click on OK. And what that does, see, it changes it and it turns into a clickable link. So let's go ahead and go down here. We're going to do the same one for this one right here. So we want to do that and just click the link tab right here, guys. Control V. And we're going to take this out and we want to take this, your ClickBank affiliate ID, and you want to put in yours, whatever that may be. Okay. So what that did, guys, it turned both of these into clickable links. So as you can see, when this email blast go out, this is going to click. There's going to be a clickable link. So when they hover over with their mouse, it's going to take them to your affiliate page. Okay. So let's go ahead and go down here. Now everything looks good in this email. So you just want to proofread it and make sure there's nothing misspelled. We addressing our prospect by their first name. We have the call to action buttons with links so people can click on them. And then also we have our name down at the bottom, okay, or management, whichever one you guys want to use, okay. Now, when you get done creating the email, there's going to be two tabs, okay. One is going to say preview and one is going to say send now, okay. You want to click preview first. So what that's going to do is going to open up a little box for you, and you're going to want to click on these links to make sure that they work. Okay. When you click on those links, what you're looking for in the URL, you want to make sure that it says your ClickBank affiliate ID. Okay. Your affiliate ID is in that link. Okay. So if it is, you're good to go. You can click send now and you're off to the races. Okay. That's the most important thing, is making sure that your affiliate link is in this email, because the last thing you want is to send out an email going out to thousands of people or hundreds of people, right? And they don't know that it's you sending it out to them, and you don't get any credit for it. Okay. So that's why I always recommend that you click on the preview before you click on send now. Once you know that your URL is in your affiliate links and the link goes to your affiliate page, because your affiliate page, once you get the prospect to that page is going to do all the selling and telling for you guys. You don't have to do anything. Okay. All we are is just the middleman. Okay. We're just the middle person from getting that person from off of this email, from their email to the affiliate page. And then the affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. So it's going to tell them about the job, how they get started. And then once they get started, okay, then that's when you start making money. Okay. So after you do that, you click on send. Boom. We just sent out an email in the My Lead Gen secret system. It's super easy to do, guys. I just showed you guys how to do it. Okay. Now, if you guys want to get started, if you just forgot, everything that we just went over, rewind this video and go back through everything that I just showed you. Okay. All you got to do is take the emails from the offer, come to the My Lead Gen secret system. You send those to the system and then you click send. You click preview and then click send. Okay. That's how easy it is. Okay, guys. I'm not going to harp on it too much because it's just pretty much cut and dry. All right. There's certain things that you have to do. Okay. To make sure that this email goes out with your information in it. Okay. And I recommend that you guys follow exactly everything that I'm showing you here. Okay. There is a one-time charge, okay, of $60 to get started with this system, with each account, okay, and then after you pay that $60, it's $30 a month to keep the service, and then that $30 in return, you're getting multiple thousands of people coming in that you get to keep every single month, and you get to build that list up to thousands and thousands and thousands of people, and this traffic can become very lucrative for you guys for the long term if you're someone who's in this for the long term. If you just want to make money, maybe set up, income for yourself for years and years to come, this is going to be something that you're going to want to invest in. Okay. So I recommend going and getting started below. Okay. Let's go ahead and go over here to the ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is a network platform that I use. Let's go ahead and log back in. It's a network platform that I use, guys, to promote different programs. Now, this account I've created new just for this series, okay? Because I have another account that I use that I've really do a lot of other stuff in, but this account that I use is just for you guys. I only created it just to show you how to make money with one program, okay? So we've been doing pretty good. As you can see, the sales have been pretty steady. We may have a few gaps in here, like today as well. Let's go ahead and see how we did today. We're promoting one offer. Today's the 24th. Okay. We are on social sales rep, which is going to be this first one. We got 754 hops. We're kind of light on the traffic today for some reason. And then we got 526 unique hops. Okay. These are brand new IP addresses that came to our website. And we didn't get any order from impressions. Okay. We didn't get anybody to go to the next level. We didn't earn any sales today, and then we didn't get any rebills. Okay, now as you seen yesterday, if you watch yesterday's video, we did get a rebill. We made money yesterday. Okay, but today we blanked today. Okay, which is not, it's not the best, right? Because, but I don't take it to heart because we're still new into the series. Okay, you're going to have to get really deep into sending emails for months and months and months in order to get this these sales every single day. Okay, and this is what I'm trying to show you guys. This is why I come in. I don't shoot videos only when I'm making sales. Okay, some people out here that's shooting these videos, or shooting, they're only shooting videos whenever they're making money. Okay, not me. I'm going to shoot videos and show you when I'm not making money and when I am making money every single day. That way, when we reach that plateau and we start making money every day, you're going to kind of get an idea of what to expect for yourself. Okay, now my other accounts that I have, I do generate income every single day, but this account I created new from start to finish. Okay, we're going to go from start and we're going to go to finish, where we're going to go from not making any money every day to making money every single day. So that's what you're going to be able to see in this video series. Okay, that's why I love doing this stuff, because I know that there's a light at the end of the tunnel. I know that if I do this for months and months, okay, eventually I'm going to start making money every single day. You're going to come in, you're going to see this video, you're going to watch these videos. When we get further along in this video series, you're going to see me making money every single day. Okay, it's just a numbers game, guys. You have to send out these emails every single day. You got to get a certain amount of people looking at stuff. You got to get a certain amount of people signing up. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's just what I wanted to show you. Unfortunately, we didn't get any sales today, but we've been making money, okay? But it's just not been every single day, okay? So there's going to be days like this where you're going to blank and you're not going to make anything, but don't get discouraged by that, because tomorrow you can get a sale. Now, what I'm thinking about is we got a sale a few days ago. If you guys don't know, go back and watch a video from a few days ago. I believe we did get a sale, and that sale is going to be billed out tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, but then also we're going to be looking for any day now. I want to be looking for an initial sale for another free trial, and then they'll get billed out every 3 days. Okay, so I'm gonna be looking for a sale tomorrow, or some type of commission. I'm hoping for these coming in every single day. This is what you pretty much want. You want an initial sale coming in every day, so that way in 3 days that person is going to get billed, and you're going to be able to stack those $20 payments on top of each other, and then eventually we're going to have $40 days, which we've already had before, $60 days, okay, $80 days, $100 days on up. Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking forward to. Okay. I'm not going to take too much more of your time, guys. I just wanted to come in and show you guys how to do stuff, how to send out an email, how easy it is. Okay. Then I also wanted to show you, the results from last night and how we did from the traffic last night. I'm gonna come back here tomorrow, okay, and show you the results that we send out from the emails tonight. I sent out some pretty good emails today, so we'll check those results tomorrow, and hopefully that we got something to look forward to tomorrow. But I'm gonna end this video on that note, guys, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys, peace.